Boating season is a special time in the summer, and if you're a boater, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And the first full day on our boat, we began the ritual of cleaning. From the appearance of our boat, you'd think we had been gone since September, but Paul has been here a couple of times to start the engines, clean the boat, and make sure she doesn't need too much work when we arrive together for the start of boating season. This year, the spring pollen blew everywhere, and our boat had a sticky scum of greenish, orangish, brownish stuff all over it that required lots of scrubbing. Nothing else would do. And yes, you have been watching me clean a boat with a toothbrush. I'm a little OCD sometimes, and it comes out at its worst when I'm cleaning. Just don't tell anybody. Almost never do it. Well, I seldom do it. Okay. I do it more often than I'd like to admit. You get used to the fact that owning a boat pretty much means there's always something to clean, tweak, repair, replace, or tinker on. You've heard it before, and it's true. But you love your boat because she takes care of you and you take care of her. It's just what you do. We have another first ritual that we do when we first return to our dock, and that is to look around and see how much of the gang has returned. Some of our dock mates live on their boat full time, all year round, but others are like us. They commute from wherever they live the other half of the year and do the same things we do, and we can take a roll call by who's out working on their boat and getting it ready for the season. We had another surprise repair this season. I had invited some of our dock mates over to have an apple crisp. And right in this hole here, we had a convection microwave. And right in the middle of baking the apple crisp, it just stopped. Period. No bells, no dings, no timers, just stopped. And fortunately, the apple crisp was within 10 minutes of being done. But we realized that the microwave that we suspected might be having a problem died. So now we're on the hunt to look for another one to put in this big empty spot. Then lastly, Paul had to replace the heater fans, which was quite the job. I was down in the lower stateroom and heard all this commotion going on and came up to a gigantic mess. He had to tear the whole couch apart just to get to the parts he needed. And when he was done, it looked like somebody had beat him up. He had scratches and bruises everywhere. And you can imagine after all of that, we get pretty tired. And we do find pleasant things to relax a bit. And I'll share some of that with you now.